What's up, kids? I'm back. I'm at the Henry Ford Museum in the Dearborn, Michigan, kids. And this place is kind of oldie. Let's go check it out. All right, kids, we got a courtyard here inside of the Henry Ford Museum. I can't open the door to go out, but there's like a little cupola on the ground inside of the courtyard. That's what's behind me in here. I got lots of glare on my glasses, kids. Check it. We're going in. There's old Abe. Merry Christmas at the Henry Ford Museum. There's an airplane. All right, kids, we got a very famous Lincoln Continental here. It's the JFK Continental. And there might be some ghosties on here. Not so old worldy, but I thought you guys would like to take a look at this. Oh wait, this is the Reagan car. My bad. The Kennedy car has got all the people around it over there. So, but nonetheless, there's a bullet hole in this one somewhere on that side. The Secret Service would ride along on the back. All these Lincolns was made here in Michigan, just so you know. All right, now this is the Kennedy car, kids. Now there's, rumor has it that at the night in the museum, there can be apparitions filmed or saw around this vehicle. And very sad. If you guys want to pause it and read it, you can take a look. But this is the vehicle that one of the presidents of the U.S. was sadly taken out in. Right here, kids. A very eerie part of history with this vehicle. All Lincolns were made in Michigan by the Ford Motor Company, who bought the Lincoln Motor Company for like $7 million or $8 million, I think, when the Lincoln started going under. So again, kids, very creepy. Maybe we'll pick something up in the images. But here's the rest of some of the museum. I gotta show you guys something crazy. But we're gonna go away from the Lincoln car now and walk around the rest of the museum.